Farmers today are choosing Gandy Orbit applicators for many reasons. Gandy quality, Gandy precision, and Gandy's versatility in applying a wide range of granular products, from insecticides and herbicides to fertilizer and seeds. Development of granular application systems has been a specialty of Gandy Company since its founding in 1936. And with the design and introduction of the Orbit-Air and Orbit-Flow applicators, Gandy Company combines air delivery technology with a metering system versatile enough to accurately apply low rates of granular herbicides or insecticides, sow seeds from tiny alfalfa to solid-seeded soybeans, or to subsurface band or broadcast several hundred pounds of fertilizer. A new Gandy metering wheel system is used in all Orbit-Air and Orbit-Flow applicators, with 3 standard sets of wheels available. The small fluted black wheels meter granular chemical at rates as low as 2 pounds an acre. These also can sow small seeds at cover crop rates. Larger fluted red wheels are used on units primarily designed for fertilizer application and can do broadcast seeding. And the largest fluted white wheels meter seeds as large as soybeans or field peas. Special wheels have also been created for specialty crop applications.
Main reason was for accuracy. The chemical costs a lot of money, and I want to make sure I don't have to put on any more than I have to, or, what it said in the book was what it was putting on exactly. It's right on with the chart we had. I like the metering system very well. It's very uniform and very accurate.
At the heart of Gandy precision rates is the Zero Max control. The Zero Max adjusts the RPM of the metering wheels in relationship to the RPM of the system's ground drive. Once set, the ratio and therefore the rate stays the same. If we took a peek inside a Zero Max with its lubrication oil removed, we would see a series of offset cam gauges that change relationship as we change the gauge setting. This control can give fraction of a pound changes in rate, making it ideal for the demands of low granular chemical rates, yet very capable of applying higher rates of seed and fertilizer. On-the-go rate change is a new feature with electric speed compensating Orbit-Air applicators controlled with a Raven monitor. The operator can preset the Raven to apply 2 rates, higher on higher organic soils, lower on lower organic soils. The operator can also manually change the rate for even higher or lower rates as he travels across the field. Split-shaft Orbit-Air models can shut off one half the boom. Other models can shut off either half. Should a shaft malfunction or the air pressure on the blower drop, an alarm will sound with the console flashing where the trouble is. The console monitors ground speed from a standard wheel sensor or an optional radar gun interface. Several models give you a choice of hopper capacities and number of outlets to suit your broadcast or banding needs. Gandy Orbit units clamp directly to many implement frames, like this John Deere 1600 model cultivator. Other brands or models which have hydraulic cylinders or other obstructions within the central frame or hitch may require fabrication of a simple mounting framework for the hopper to clear them, as has been done on this John Deere 610 cultivator. The ground wheel driving the metering system lowers by cable as the implement lowers to field position. To begin his first run, the operator loads material into the hopper, marks off a test distance sufficient to collect an adequate sample, then weighs the amount to field check his application rate. Placement of the ground wheel drive will depend on the tillage tool you have. On the front frame member, as on this John Deere 610, outside of the hitch by adding tubing to hitch frame, as on this Morris cultivator, under the hitch as installed on this Borgalt cultivator, even under the implement's central frame, as on this John Deere 960 cultivator. For insecticide application, the Orbit-Air easily adapts to banded treatments, such as used by Don Radins of Norfolk, Nebraska. The small unit mounts on a cultivator frame like Don's Hinnaker and is driven by an adapted Gandy ground drive, again for ground speed compensation.
Previous years I've used airplane, and also I put boxes on each individual row, which were a job to set and calibrate. And this year I went to that air because it's simpler, and with this Gandy I should save approximately $4 to $5 an acre, which would be custom applied previously, and possibly save a few pounds per acre. Cost-wise, I probably pay for the thing in one season in savings.
Whether mounted on a cultivator toolbar or a high-clearance tractor, the Orbit-Air delivers the corn borer biological control or pesticide over the row to place the material into the corn whorl. The wide booms of high-clearance tractors permit coverage of more rows, and in hybrid seed corn production, allow skipping of male rows. These ground application methods target the corn whorl directly and cut cost over aerial application. Delivery tubes are mounted over the row to place insecticide in the corn whorl to combat corn borer. Individual granules follow the whorl of the corn leaves to penetrate the area. Here you can see granules which have already begun to dissolve in the plant's moisture, ready to attack corn borer infestation. The same Orbit-Air unit adapts to other styles of cultivators as well, including this Buffalo brand with its own adapted ground drive. By working with farmers like yourselves who care about precise use of chemicals and fertilizer and getting the most for your dollar invested, Gandy Company is leading the development of innovative tools for agriculture and allied industries. Why not take a look at how a wise investment with Gandy and granular application can help you do a better job today and in the seasons ahead?
You're the one we will find.